Good evening, children. Once again, welcome to the second session of mathematics. Already we completed the first session, introduction, and also the Euclid's division lemma, and HCF and LCM. And also we completed the prove that square roots of root 2, root 3, root 5, so on. And you uploaded excellently. On that last session, we completed the introduction of logarithms. And now today, we'll go with the properties of logarithm. First basic knowledge we have to learn. So properties of logarithms we will see now. Let me go with the first one. Please make it, those who want make it write down in your notes also. Don't be delayed. And we'll see the first one. Properties of logarithms. In this first one, second one, third one is there. We will see today the derivations of the logarithm, children. Derivations, proof of that logarithms, product of the logarithm, quotient of the logarithm, power of the logarithm. We will see these three derivations. I hope if the time will be there, we will see some problems also will solve that. And meanwhile, first we'll go with the first one, that is product of logarithm. Product of a logarithm. First one. Prove that log AB to the base x is equal to log A to the base x plus log B to the base x. Prove that log AB to the base x plus log B to the base x. We will see this proof derivations. This law, we will see the proof of LHS and RHS. Solution. We'll go with the solution. Children, already I think so you people know that exponential form, converting into logarithm form to exponential form. With the help of the exponential form, we can prove this log AB to the base x is equal to log A to the base x plus log B to the base x. We'll see this one. Right. Let us take this. Let RHS part. First we'll take log A to the base x. Let us take as P. Small p. Let log A to the base x is equal to, let us take P. Convert this equation into exponential form. You can write this one as like this. A is equal to x power p. Converting into logarithmic to exponential form. The base, here also the base is a c. And the result, it becomes power. And the question becomes here as a question. So you can write x power p equal to a. X power p equal to a. Converting into logarithmic form to exponential form. So same as the remaining two terms also will convert into exponential form. That is log this one. Log B to the base x is equal to P after, let us take Q. Log B to the base x is equal to Q. convert this one into exponential form. That is, b is equal to x power cube. B is equal to x power cube. And finally, the last one, log AB to the base x is equal to PQ. The next is R. Log AB to the base x equal to, we'll take R. Convert this one also into exponential form so that you will get x. AB is equal to what is that? X power R. X power R. Let us take this is as the first equation. This is second equation, or this, and this is a third equation. First equation, second equation, and third equation. You can solve this one like this. And now, first equation and the second equation. Since what is the property, Nana? The property is products. Labdamu. The property is product. Product. You prove that this is product A into B. A into B. So this is we are doing here multiplication. Let me go with here first equation, second equation. So multiply the first equation and second equation on that is multiply first and second. We get A into B is equal to what is A? X power P into X power Q. X power P into A into B is equal to this one also RHS also we have to multiply. So A into B is equal to X power P into X power Q. And here AB is equal to, since the exponential form, since the bases are equal, when the law in the product multiplication, the power should be added. When the bases are equal, when it is in product, the powers you should have to be add. So what you will get? X power P plus Q. Both the bases are equal. You have to add the powers. So X power P plus Q. But since AB is equal to something we have, that is AB is equal to what we have in the third equation. AB is equal to X power R. Substitute or from third we get from third what we get? X power R. X power R is equal to X power P plus Q. AB is equal to X power R. I replaced here. For that I written from third we get, from third equation we get X power R is equal to X power P plus Q. Since again bases are equal to symbol is there, you can equalize the powers in exponential form. Already we are learning from 6th standard onwards. Bases are equal to symbol will be there, then the powers we have to equalize them. So what do you get here? R is equal to P plus Q. Therefore, R is equal to P plus Q. You got it, this result. Replace now the values of P value, Q value, R value. Substitute now the values of P value, Q value, R. Hence, what is R? What you thought R? Here it is. What you thought R? Let me you thought na. What is R? Log AB. Log AB to the base x is equal to P. What is P? This is A plus what is cube? This is log B. Log B to the base x. And it is proved. And it is proved. Log AB to the base x is equal to log A to the base x plus log B to the base x. And this is the derivation of product of logarithm. This is the derivation of product of logarithm. Once again, we will we will recap this one for a moment. Prove that product of logarithm is equal to sum when it will derivates and it will add the two terms. Suppose here APC will be there, log A to the base x plus log B to the base x plus log C to the base x. If it will be D will be there plus log D to the base x. You will get like that. Once again, so let us take this is log RHS part. Log A to the base x is equal to P. Write down this one, convert this one into exponential form. That is A is equal to x power P base and the base it remains. The result will become here power. And question it becomes here the result. Opposite of that. Converting into logarithmic form to exponential form. Let us take this is the first. So same like that log B to the base x is equal to let us take Q. What happens here? B is equal to x power Q. Same like that third one log AB to the base x is equal to R. AB is equal to x power R. Since the property is product, so multiply it. Multiply 1 and 2 we get what is 1? A into B. A into B is equal to RHS. X power P, X power P. But since the bases are equal, if it is in product, then the power should be added. I added here x power P plus 2. AB is equal to. From third equation, we know the third equation. This is AB is equal to x power R. X power R is equal to x power P. Again here bases are equal. Equal to symbol is there. You have to equalize the powers. So R is equal to P plus Q. Now substitute the values of what you thought here before. What is P? What is Q? What is R? I replaced here R is equal to P is equal to Q. And that is hence proved. Hence proved. Log AB to the base x is equal to log A to the base x plus log B to the base x. Did you understand, children, everyone? I hope you catch. It is very easy. And now we will see the second one, which is quotient of logarithm. Now we will see the quotient of logarithm. Now we will see the second law, second property. So one of the most important. If you want to calculate any problem from the logarithmic, we want these three properties most important. Now we will start. We'll go with the second property, that is quotient of logarithm. Quotient. Yes. Prove that log A by B to the base x is equal to log A to the base x minus log B to the base x. Log B to the, this is quotient of log. We'll see this one, the proof, the derivation of this one. How we done the same? How we done the first problem, product of the logarithm, like that only we have to do as a first equation, second equation till third equation. Let us see here. What is that RHS part? We will go with the first RHS. That is let log A to the base x is equal to log A to the base x is equal to, again let us go with P. That implies to what you'll get down here. A is equal to the same, no changes, absolutely equal. What you'll get? X power p. A is equal to x power p. Again, what is that? First equation. So same like that here. That is log this one. Log p to the base x is equal to q. What you'll get, Nana? B is equal to x power q. B is equal to x power q. So same like that, the third one also will go with LHS. That is the third term, log a by b to the base x is equal to r. That implies to a by b is equal to x power r. The most important tip in all the examinations, one thing that is in mathematics, equal to symbols should not get multiple times. In one statement, you should have to get only one time. But here 2 times has come. See, 2 times. But in between, implies to symbol is there. You have to maintain for the presentation of the solution. The most important tip that is. While doing the solution, the presentation is also the most important here. Okay, fine. Now you got it, first equation, second equation and third equation. What is the property here? Which property? What is this? Quotient. Quotient in the sense, how it will be the question? A by B, P by Q form. Division form will be there. Yes or no? Division form. For that, we will go the first equation and second equation, divide first equation and second equation. Previously it was product, so we multiplied. Here quotient, we have to divide. Good. So yes, that is divide 1 and 2. We get, we'll go with the last step here. It is, I think so, you can see, yes. First one and second. First one. What is first one? A by B divide. A by B is equal to x power p by x power q. X power p by x power q. Now, what is the next step you get here? See here. A by B is equal to x power p by x power q. Since this is a exponential form, a power m by a power n. What is the RHS of that one? A power m minus n. When the bases are equal, when that is the simplification in division form, you have to subtract the powers. In exponential form, when the bases are equal, when the simplest form in division, the powers you should have to subtract. So what you will get here? X power p minus q. X power p minus q. Again from the same. How we done in the product of logarithm? Here also we have to go with the same. That is a by b. What we got here? What we got it here? A by b is equal to, since the third equation, x power r. A by b. A by b. You can write as x power r. You can write as x power r. So from 3 we get, what is that? A by b? X power r. X power r is equal to x power p minus. What do you understand after seeing this one? How we done in the previous problem? The same manner again. If the bases are equal, if the t is equal to symbol, you have to equalize the powers. You have to equalize the powers. The bases are equal to symbol is there, you can equalize the power. Therefore, r is equal to p minus q. Therefore, r is equal to P minus Q. Now replace the values of P, Q, R, and that you will get the result of this one. Once replace this one, what you thought R? R is equal to this one. R is equal to you thought this. So log A by P to the base x is equal to log A to the base x minus log B to the base x. And it is proved. Hence proved or proved. Hence proved. Log A by B to the base x is equal to log A to the base x minus log B to the base x. If it is division, you will get subtraction. If it is in product, you will get positive. Add, addition you will get. If it is product into, plus you will get. Into na? Into. Just to see like this. You will get plus. If it is division, you will get subtraction. This is a division form. Division form, you will get subtraction. Remember that. This is the main important tip, that is to remember what is product of logarithm and what is quotient of logarithm. And this is the quotient of logarithm. Take these three, multiply first one and second one. Divide first one and second one, so that A by P is equal to x power P by x power Q when the bases are equal. And powers you have to equalize. When the bases are equal, we can subtract the powers is subtracted. And since A by B is equal to third equation, A by B is equal to x power R. When the bases are equal to symbol is then equalize the powers. Equalize here. Now replace the values of R, P, Q, and this is what we require to prove. Which is quotient of the logarithm. I hope everyone understands this one. Log A by B to the base x is equal to log A to the base x minus log B to the base x. I hope you understand very well. And we will see. We'll go with the third property, that is power of logarithm. The third property, power of the logarithm. Power of logarithm. We'll see the third one. Log A power m to the base x is equal to m log A to the base x. Once again, prove that this is. Prove that. Okay. PT. Prove that. Prove that log A power m to the base x is equal to m log A to the base x. M log A to the base x. Let me see this formula expansion, how this has come. Let me see the same. How we done the previous two derivations the same manner again here you have to do. But since here m is here, what is constant? This is. You should not take as length. So m is constant and m into this is m into log A to the base x. You have to take only this one. You have to take only this one. Let me see. Let yes, log A to the base x is equal to log A to the base x is equal to P. Let us take this log A to the base x. What is the next step, Nana? That is A is equal to x power P. Good. A is equal to x power P. A is equal to x power. So same like that here also this one. LHS. Again, since log a power m to the base x is equal to p cube. Let us take second letter from the statements. Log a power m to the base x is equal to q. What you get here? A power m is equal to x power. This is therefore a power m is equal to x power p. We know the value of a, already you got it here. We know the value of a. Replace the value of a in this equation. Substitute a is equal to x power p. What happens here? Since a power m is equal to x power p, this is a power m is equal to x. Now substitute a is equal to this value, that is x power p whole power m is equal to x power q. Again here a value x power p, a value x power p whole power m is equal to x power p. Elaborate, expand this, delete the braces, you will get x power pm or mp, your wish. You can write the p into m or m into p. It's not, doesn't matter in product, because 2 into 3 is 6, same as 3 into 2 also 6. There will not be any changes in product. You won't get any changes in product. Yes, is equal to x power 2. Since we know again in exponential form, when the bases are equal to symbol will be there. The powers we have to equal. The powers we have to equal. They have to equalize the power. So x power both are equal. Therefore, mp is equal to q. M into p is equal to q. Now what? Just to replace the values of what you thought here. M is what? Already I said constant. You should not change the. That is m. M is m. P is equal to, you thought something. What is that? P is equal to log a to the base x is equal to. What is q? You thought here again. What is q? This is log a power m to the base x, and which is prove that. This is that is nothing but hence m log a to the base x is equal to log a power m to the base x. These are the three important derivations in logarithms. If you are perfect in these three laws or properties, you can do maximum solutions, because all are the questions what we have in the fifth exercise, all are simplification with the help of properties of logarithms, which are product, quotient, and power of logarithms. You have to understand carefully none of these three. These three formulas are most important. If you are very thorough in these three formulas, it is easily to execute all the solutions made from the logarithms. I hope you understand these three derivations. Okay, and from this itself, we have plenty of problems. We will see these all that problems of from 1.5, which we have from fifth exercise. We will see in the next class. The main important examination point of view, we will see the top. Okay, children. But now I will give the homework. Every children must write in one paper or in book. I will give just two problems. With the help of this problem, with the help of this property, you have to write and upload the solution individual number, not in group, Nana. Don't send the solution in group. I think so you understand why I am saying like this. Main mathematics, whoever will upload, if I will give right mark, the second candidate or third candidate they will see the same answer and just they will write and they will also be uploaded. It is not a correct manner. So those who will complete here the homework, upload the solution to my number. My number is Sunil sir, 98493555550. I hope the number is in our group, isn't it? You have to be sent in my number to my number, not in group. If you send in group, I won't go with any correction whether it is correct or wrong. Upload the solution only to my particular number. Okay, now write down the two questions of this one. Come on, write down the two questions. Prove that log x, y, z to the base a is equal to log x to the base a log y to the base a plus log z to the base a. Log x, y, z to the base a is equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a plus log z to the base a. And second one, prove that log AB by CD to the base x is equal to log A to the base x plus log B to the base x minus log C to the base x minus to the log D to the base x. These are the two questions now. Once again, I am repeating. Prove that log xyz to the base x is equal to log x to the base x plus log y to the base a plus log z to the base a. Second one, prove that log AB by CD to the base x is equal to log A to the base x plus log B to the base x minus log C to the base x minus log D to the base. I hope you people will do these two problems and upload the solution to my particular number. It is very clear, I hope. That is it clear, children? And good night.